Hi everyone, my name is Pinki and I am from Uttar Pradesh. I did my graduation in B.Sc from Sunrise University. I never dreamed about success, I worked for it. Here I am talking about for Evision, from where I learned many more things regarding the IT techniques. Evision is a good for an online learning institute in demand technologies in current IT market. Evision provide online trainings in large numbers of ITs. So, as to learn from their LMS, being as a non-IT professional, I have successfully completed the online internship course at Evision. So, my warmest thanks to Evision team to guiding me and helping me to complete my module, complete all types of modules. And I have enrolled here on I enrolled here myself in September for online internship. Once online training is completed, so as I got a job offers HCL Technologies within salary offered 4.5 LPA, which gives me confidence to face the interview to start my work with the relevant technology. I'm happy to be learner from Evision team, and I want to say so many thanks to support team which helped to me a lot understanding the concept clearly. Once again, thank you, Vision team. Thank you so much.